Calling me out, calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, 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 you making me new today. Brand new, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. Ooh, you wait for me.
Got his lab all the way out here. Laguna Beach. That's where we at for the Festival of Arts. We should drive to the top up there, man. Oh, you can.
Nice. Yo, all this shit's gated up. All this shit's gated, man. I'm on the doctor's order. I need you, baby.
So guys, we are at the Laguna Beach. We have left the hotel and everything. I've just been a bad vlogger in all these, but don't mind it. But we stopped at the Laguna Beach, and this is how it looks. There's not too much people around here. It's just chill. The ocean looks so beautiful. And I know I haven't been doing too many talking. I've just been recording, but don't worry, I'll get it together. You was on this lake? You want to go swing? Go swinging.
Holding like an anchor, guarding from the danger. I do it 'cause you're mine. All we've got is favor. Show you something greater. Give you better life. Tell me how to be your aid. I just wanna be your shelter. Run into my arms, I'll be. On dark days, your light. Out in the water, I'm a harbor. Like a haven in the night. Space, I'll feel as your partner.
So we are
With
back
the moon
in
is
the car. We're back in the car. Let's go. The baby's asleep. Yeah, they're knocked out. But we're gonna be continuing the destination until we get home. It's hot outside, guys, but I'll see you guys in a few.
You better not be no more. A snack. That's a snack spot. Trader Joe's. Yeah, that's a snack. You wanna go
I've
in there
never
and get
been
a
to
snack?
Trader Joe's. You got one in Alex? So I'm going into this Trader Joe's. So we're going into this Trader Joe's just to see what they got. Just trying to burn time. We're just coming from Trader Joe's. So we are off to the butchery.
Yeah, butchery.
Don't know what it is. Gonna see what they have in there
I'm excited, Mommy.
for the tummy. That's what it is, the butchery.
It looks like
So we're gonna see what's in there. I know.
are these? These when you buy and you put the thing on it?
For $9. How much is it? Babe, look at the cashew. That is the size of it. You got it? I'm always these holes. Yeah.
That's when things started running. I stopped looking at back. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go.
So guys, we went to Afters, and this is basically it's a donut with ice cream in the middle, and this is vanilla ice cream with chocolate chips.
So yummy.
So this is what it looks like. Yes, baby girl. You want to try it?
Want to try mine?
Hey guys. Welcome back. Yeah guys. Overall our trip was good. We got home yesterday. By the time I got home yesterday it was like around
Nighttime.
No, it wasn't. It was close to 6. And we ended up stopping like a few places on the way back. But the trip was good. Well needed rest that I needed. Which I still don't think I got enough rest. But I got rest away from doing anything at home. That's just what it is. But I'm truly grateful. At least my daughter had enjoyed her birthday and the kids enjoyed themselves. That's the most important thing.
Mama,
Yeah?
you didn't have to get me any birthday cakes because I already have one.
What?
You.
Do your homework. Yeah, so as soon as I got home yesterday, I started
Washing clothes and
I started doing laundry. I don't play. I can't stand the dirty laundry around me. So I started doing laundry.
Guys, my mom is a clean freak. You cannot deal with one thing on the ground. It's true though. You can't stand the one thing on the ground.
You got your one in?
What?
You got one in?
What?
Okay, go finish your homework.
Okay, I'm going to my bed now. Bye-bye.
Yeah, so we were just getting back into the routine of
Mama, I never needed to get in
being home, back in the routine.
I'm already in my routine.
Matei's back in school, and yeah, she's just catching up on the 2 days that she lost with homework and stuff like that. And what else?
Made you lose my days.
Tomorrow, doctor's appointment schedule. Today my husband went and did the oil change. So we're just getting back into the routine of home. I'm doing laundry. And what else? I'm almost done because I started doing laundry yesterday. As soon as I got home, I start doing my laundry. And I put a few up, but I still have like the suitcases and stuff to empty, and just a few clothes to put away. But we just finished having dinner. Today we had curry. We made curry chicken, white rice, mashed potato, vegetables, and salmon on the side. Yeah, we had lemonade. Even being on that trip that we went, that little getaway, before we left, Mateo had got sick from school that Thursday. She come home. Is it Thursday?
No.
Yes, it was, because you didn't go to school Friday.
No, I got sick earlier before Thursday.
But anyway, yeah, so she got sick. And then right after, Serenity started coughing. Sire got sick. I started being stuffy. So even if we were gone on vacation, they were kind of a little bit miserable, but not a lot. But they had fun anyways. SeaWorld was good. You know, just being away and exploring new places and doing things together, like just making memories with our family. So that's a blessing, you know. But I had fun. The kids had fun. And when the kids have fun, I'm good because it's all about them. And we're going to do a massage. So you guys are going to come along with me. I haven't done a massage in a long time. And this is like a well-needed one. Well-needed. So we're about to go do that. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. The place that I'm going, I've never been there. And this is like first time for me. So we're going to go through this whole experience together. So I'm just waiting for my husband to be back so he can drop us off, because I don't want to drive to go down there, so he's going to drop me off. So I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so we are downtown and we're going to the old hotel. We're right here. Right here. And the bar is right there.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the...
This is the sleeping room. That's the restroom right there. And this is a little locker situation that we can put on clothes. These are the robes and you know, then you have like towel, extra towel, shower pads, and just in case we want to take a shower. And this is the sink area. On to the massage section. We are done with the steam room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing this massage. And I'm telling you guys, take some time out for yourself. Mom, stay-at-home mom, working mom, take some time out for yourself. A massage like this, it does wonders. But until next time, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, stay blessed because you are blessed.